Thank you very much. You can sit down now. Okay, so good morning everyone. It's almost 12 already, but we still greet good morning. Why? Even if it's afternoon, in our company we greet good morning. You know why? Because morning is a sign of new beginning. Okay? And our company is actually the new beginning for you guys. Do you want to know why? Do you want to know why? Let me ask you first. Who amongst you wants to be rich? Do you want to be rich? Guys, if you don't want to be rich, leave this room already. I will do this seminar for people who wants to be rich. And you are very fortunate because this is the first time I will do OPP here again. You have been hearing me talking about technical training, compensation plan training, right? But now this is the first time I will do OPP. Why? Because I have a new format of OPP that I will show you right now. And why are you fortunate? Because tomorrow, I will fly back to Philippines. So this is the first and last. Because on November 19, I will have my own training in Japan. December 2, I have my training in Singapore. Okay, so I'll be roaming around the world. But no worries. January, I will see you again. Okay? We will start the year together. Okay, so now this is my question again. Who amongst you wants to be rich? Guys, this business is for people who wants to be rich. I don't care if people are telling us that the love of money is the root of evil. Right? Why? Because in Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 19 it is written, money answereth all things. And guys, to tell you honestly, some people say, I don't want to join network marketing because they're always talking about rich, rich, rich. I just want to be an ordinary person. Guys, there's no ordinary person. There are only two kinds of person. The rich and the poor. Do you get it? You want me to prove to you? What if you are sick? What if you are sick? You need to go to the hospital. If you have money, you will go to private hospital. Am I right? If you don't have money, you will go to general hospital or public hospital. This is my question. Will you be seeing ordinary hospital for ordinary people like you? No. So it's just private and public. If you are sick, you will buy medicine. If you have money, you will buy branded medicine. If you don't have money, you will buy generic medicine. Can you go to the pharmacy and ask for an ordinary medicine for an ordinary person like you? If you have kids, if you have money, you will now bring them to private school. Am I right? If you don't have money, you will bring them to public school. Now, is there an ordinary school for an ordinary kid who is the son or daughter of an ordinary person like you? No. So what are the two kinds of person? Poor and rich. So if you are not rich, you are. If you are not poor, you are rich. So this is my question again. Who amongst you wants to be rich? Everyone wants to be rich. Right? And if you didn't raise your hand, God will see you. Okay? So now, let me just share to you my experience. Actually, I've started this business as what our first speaker have told you. I started this business at the age of 15. 15 years old, I'm already doing network marketing by the influence and help of my mother. You know, Miss Wena Cirilia, I think you know her, right? So she's the one who influenced me in network marketing. And actually, at the age of 18, I came to Africa. That is the first time I traveled to Africa. I became the youngest trainer of one MLM company here in Africa. But it's not Alliance, okay? But then, on the year 2012, I decided to join Alliance in Motion Global. Me and my mom, we did Alliance in Motion. Actually, my mom is under me in this business. Okay? And then when we started Alliance in Motion, we became the pioneers, one of the pioneers on 2012. And what happened is that, you know, for 2 years of working, some of you haven't seen me for long, right? Because I had a vacation in Philippines. You know what happened? In that 14-month vacation in Philippines, I was able to buy a new house in Philippines. I was able to buy a new car. This one is Chevrolet Trailblazer. Brand new, not Tokumbo. Okay? And then, Aside from that, just last August, before I came back to Nigeria, I was able to buy a beach resort in Philippines. In Palawan, one of tourist destinations in Philippines. And just to remind you, I'm just 25 years old. See guys, there are plenty of companies that came here to Africa. Am I right? I will promise you to be rich. Me, I'm tired of becoming a pioneer already. Today, I will start a company. Tomorrow, I will start another company. Next month, I will start another company. Every now and then, I am the pioneer and I'm tired of becoming a pioneer already. The good thing in Alliance in Motion is that October 2012, we became the pioneer of this company. I only pioneered once and I am making money for the rest of my life. So who amongst you came here for the first time? This is your first time of coming. Guys, you are blessed. Why? Because this is the right time to start the business. Tell to the person that invited you, thank you very much for bringing me to this place. Very good. Okay? So now, I have one question for you guys. You know me, I'm a very goal-oriented person. I like talking about goals. I like achieving my goals. So this is my first question. Okay? So I will discuss the art of attaining your projected income. Choosing the right opportunity for you. Okay? So now, the first question is this. How much do you want to make in a month? How much is your projected income? Let me ask you again, who amongst you came here for the first time? Who amongst you came here for the first time? Okay, very good. Mommy, this is my question. How much you want to make in a month? Okay, wait. First, you need to consider the expenses. Am I right? You know your family, you have expenses, food, electricity, your house, you are maintaining. Aside from that, consider your savings as well. Of course, the money that you want to save. And aside from that, at least consider enjoyment or leisure. If you want to travel, you know what's the problem with most people? After the expenses, they are considering enjoyment first. So the small money that is left, that is now the one they will save. But for you to have financial IQ, okay, you need to focus on your savings first before now your leisure and enjoyment. So mommy, this is my question. How much do you want to make in a month?
300,000.
300,000. That's good, that's your own. But mommy, are you sure it's enough? So that is the question now. Is it enough? 300,000, is it enough?
No!
Just imagine the house that you're paying. Right? And then if you have your car, fuel, everything. If you have children, paying for school fees. Right? So now, 300,000 mommy, is it enough for you? Or you want to change it? You're not changing it. Okay, very good. That's our own projected income. So now, every one of you guys, put your projected income in your mind. At least let's set a standard, 1 million. Is that okay?
Yeah.
That's ideal, right?
Yeah.
1 million. Okay. So now this is my question. If your projected income is 1 million, okay, there are actually 3 ways to achieve that. What are the 3 ways to achieve your projected income? The first way is through employment. But this is the thing. In employment, okay, see guys, I am not, most people are always angry with network marketers because they think, we are actually discriminating employees. No, I'm not discriminating employees. To be employed is okay for now. But if you want or you desire to be an employee for the rest of your life, that is not good anymore. If you are an employee for now, that's okay. But if you want to be and you dreamt to be an employee for the rest of your life, it's not good. You know what I call it? I actually call it employmentality. Employmentality. The mentality of a person to be employed for the rest of his life. This one is like, hypnotism already. Some people will tell you, I don't want to do network marketing because in network marketing, it's only the people on top that will make money. Have you been hearing the same complaint?
Yes.
Most people will tell you, I don't want to join network marketing because network marketing is for lazy people. Am I right?
Yes.
So those are the 2 complaints that we are always hearing from people that are trapped in employmentality. Do you get? Now, let me just show you how I answer them. Who is the richest people, or who is the richest person that you know?
Dangote.
Dangote, right? Actually, he's the richest African in the world. So now, let's talk about him. See, most employees will tell you, I don't want to do, Ediko, can I have marker? I don't want to do network marketing because the people on top are the only ones earning in network marketing. If we are in the bottom, we cannot make money anymore. Let me just show you how I answer it. Okay? So now, Dangote. Okay? So let's say Dangote. You know, he has several businesses, am I right?
Yes.
He has several companies. So now, on all of his companies, he has presidents. And under these presidents, there are vice presidents. Am I right? And then every department, they have their own head or managers. Marketing manager, in accounting, they have managers. Under the managers, they have assistant managers. Under assistant managers, they have supervisors. Am I right? And under the supervisors, there's the regular or ordinary employees. Now, an ordinary employee can earn around 20 to 40,000 naira only. Am I right?
Yes.
And then for supervisors, they can earn around 60 to 80,000. Assistant managers, they are making 6 digits already. They may earn around 100,000 naira. For managers, they earn around 200 to 250,000 naira. Vice president of the company, they can earn around 500,000 already. And presidents of company, they can earn around 1 million in a month. Am I right? How about Dangote? How much is he making? How much? Billion. Now, those people who are trapped in employment mentality, they are here. They will be the one that will tell you, in network marketing, only people on top are the ones earning. This is my question. If that is a crime, isn't this person more criminal? Do you think an ordinary employee can earn more than the president of the company?
No.
Do you think an ordinary employee can earn more than Dangote?
No.
No. So it means the ones on top, the complaint that is the ones on top that are only earning is actually happening to him. Am I right?
Yes.
But because he cannot see it, because he is trapped in employment mentality. Number 2, most people will tell you, this business is for lazy people. This is my question. In this scenario, what are you doing as an ordinary employee? Everything, even at your job, you are still doing it. Am I right?
Yes.
How about supervisors? What are they doing? They just supervise. Assistant managers, what are they doing? They assist the managers. Managers, they will just report to vice president. Vice president will report to president. President will just let Dangote sign everything. So now, imagine the amount of work that you are doing. Did you ever complain that your boss is lazy? Did you ever complain that Dangote is lazy? He is even a hero for us. Am I right? Now this is my question. The son, the daughter, the grandchildren of Dangote, what are they doing? Nothing. They are just spending the money. Am I right? Me, if it's better you call me lazy, as long as my family have something to eat. Rather to become industrious and I cannot feed my family. Am I right? So now imagine in employment. Let's say you are working for 8 hours. Let's say you are working for 8 hours. And you are only earning 50,000 naira. Even if you work for 16 hours, you will only earn 100,000 naira. Even if you work for 24 hours, you are only earning 150,000 naira. So if you want to earn 1 million, is it possible for you to earn 1 million through employment?
No.
Is it possible?
No.
It's not possible. That's the problem. Aside from employment, second option. So this is the first option. Second option, start your own business. But you know, in starting your own business, first you need to register your business. Am I right?
Yes.
So you will register in the Corporate Affairs Commission. 40,000 to 60,000 naira. Once your business papers are approved, this is my question. Do you have a business or just business papers? Just business papers. After that, you need to rent your own office again. Am I right? Renting an office here in Ikeja, how much? And you know, here in Nigeria, you cannot rent for just 1 month, 2 months. The minimum here is 2 years. Imagine. After that, you need to renovate, you need equipments, you need your utilities and everything. So mainly, you are investing around 3 million naira for you to have your own business. Do you have 3 million naira to invest right now? Do you have 3 million? Mommy, do you have 3 million naira to invest right now? Even if you have 3 million, this is the next question. What kind of business are you supposed to start for you to earn 1 million every month? Remember, in Nigeria here, only 20 to 30% of business are surviving. The other 70% are becoming bankrupt now. Have you seen the expansion of ShopRite? They are all over now. Actually, every Sunday we play basketball in Apapa. Opposite the place where we play basketball, there is this woman that has her own small store. Every Sunday, we always buy minerals from her, water from her, food from her. After my vacation in Philippines, when I came back, I never see her again. Her store is closed already. Do you want to know why? Because beside her shop, there's ShopRite already. So my question, how can she compete with that one? So business is very risky. Yeah, you have the capacity to earn at least 1 million a month in business, but it's very risky. And, you know, it will take time for you to have your investment back. So first option is employment. Second option, start your own business. Now, let me present to you the third option. The third option is network marketing. In network marketing, okay, our investment is just 36,000 naira. Compared in business is millions. Number one, do you have registration in that 36 naira? Yes, you have registration already. Aside from that, do you have office? Yes, if you register with 36,000 naira, this is your office already. So let me ask you again, who amongst you are not yet registered? Who amongst you came here for the first time? Raise your hands. Guys, let me just remind you, this is not your office yet. You are just visitors here. Okay? Register first before you can claim this office. Okay? Now, is our office good? Yes. Everything that you need is in this office already. And not only that, we have 5 branches or 6 branches all over Nigeria. Abuja, we have in Makurdi, we have in Potakot, we have in Ibadan, we have in Onisha, and very soon Kano office will start. Not only that, we have several offices in the whole of Africa. And not only that, we have several offices in Asia. So all of those offices are your office. If you have family or friends in Dubai, you can tell the person to go to our office in Dubai. Because that is your office. Imagine, with 36,000 naira, you have the registration, you have the office, you have an international business, and that 36,000 naira will give you products worth more than 36,000 naira. So even if you will not do the business, you are not losing. So you know what's the problem? I don't know why people still choose millions worth of investment, wherein in 36,000 worth of investment, you have an international business. Am I right? Yes. Do you realize, guys, the advantage in our business? So, Mami, let's say your own projected income is 300,000. You have 3 options now. What will you choose? Get the 300,000 through employment, get the 300,000 through business, or get that 300,000 through network marketing? Through network marketing. Guys, remember, if you are talking to people, you cannot tell them about alliance right away. That's why I'm giving you this kind of approach. Every time I meet a person, I'm always asking the person first, how much is your projected income? How much do you want to make in a month? Is it possible for you to make it with this one? Is it possible for you to make it with this one? Or is it possible for you to make it in network marketing? Now, imagine, Mommy is even the one asking about network marketing now. In this business, it's not how good you are in products. In this business, it's not how good you are in marketing plan. In this business, It's how good you are in mindsetting people. Because if you are good in products and marketing plan, but the mind of the person is closed, do you think that person will listen to you? But if the mind of the person is open, small products, small marketing plan, the person will register. Do you get it? So now, what is the best choice? Business, employment, or network marketing? Network marketing. So now, let's talk about network marketing. Okay? Remember, not because it's network marketing, you will join already. Because there are plenty of network marketing companies. So now, we need to choose the best company. Okay? So now, in choosing the best company, look on the credential of the company. Do you know that our company in Business for Home, guys, Business for Home is an international, okay, organization that choose MLM, okay, and direct selling companies. And you know what? Just to be part of that Business for Home, it means your business is credible and liable. Or your business is credible, okay, and legal. Now, look at this. Last year, we are awarded as the #1 direct selling company in the world by Business for Home. And you know what, guys? This year, just last October, for the second consecutive time, we are the #1 direct selling company in the world again. So now, guys, this is the best time to do your business. This is the best time to start your business. Now, in choosing the right network marketing company, there's no question anymore. The best network marketing company right now is Alliance in Motion Global. Do you want me to prove you? Do you want me to prove to you? Okay, no problem. I'm good at that. Guys, one time, okay, like 1.5 years ago, someone chatted me, okay? The person is from Trinidad and Tobago, a country that I don't even know. When the person told me that he is from Trinidad and Tobago, I even looked on the internet to look for that country. I now discovered that Trinidad and Tobago is in South America. Okay? It's in South America. Now I asked the person, so your company is from where? The person said that the company is from North America, Canada. Okay? From Canada and US. Imagine. Okay, imagine the company is from Canada and US. So from North America, he said that the company expanded in South America and then Europe. Imagine, they have penetrated all of these countries already. Now, from South America, someone is recruiting me, a Filipino, from Philippines. Because he said, I have groups in Africa. Now look at these guys. The company have expanded all over already. They are now talking to Filipinos. You know why? Because Filipinos are the ones penetrating the countries they cannot penetrate. Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, China, Thailand, all of these countries, plus Africa. You are calling us white, but we are not actually white. We are brown. Am I right? Yes. White people are the people from America. And you know what's the trend in network marketing now? White people, you know, black and brown, we are the downlines of these white people. Yes. Are you not tired of becoming downlines? Or if they have penetrated their countries already, Filipinos and Africans, we are now the downlines. We are now the ones working for them to make money. Now look at this. Why is Alliance in Motion the best? Guys, you're all Nigerians. So we need to be biased here. We need to choose something that is good for Nigerians. Am I right? Yes. We are Filipinos. We need to choose something that will be very good for Filipinos. Now look at this. Alliance in Motion started where? Philippines. It expanded in Asia. Some other parts of Asia, not all Asian countries. We even celebrated our 3rd year anniversary here in Nigeria before Dubai office started. So it means, from Asia, we have penetrated Africa. Right?
Yes.
Is this right?
Yes.
Now look at this. In Africa, what is the first country we have started?
Nigeria.
Nigeria. That is why the upline of other African countries like Kenya, Uganda are Nigerians. Cameroon office will be starting, Ivory Coast will be starting. The population of the whole of Africa is 1.1 billion, and the uplines of this are Nigerians. So you are blessed. Now look at this, guys. We are not only talking about Africa. We are not only talking about Africa. Why? Because by 2016 to 2017, we will now be expanding in North America, South America, and European countries. So now, brown and black, we are not the downlines of these white people anymore. Brown and black, we are now the uplines of white people. We will have some blondes under us. Don't you want that? Now guys, if you are thinking this is still fantasy, this is not fantasy anymore. You know why? It's becoming reality because of in-world. Let's say you have a prospect in Canada. It's hard to send money to Nigeria, and then it's hard to send products to Canada. Am I right? So what they will do now, they will just go to the site where they can order product for in-world, that pendant. Once they order it, the product will be delivered door to door. It will not touch your hand. It will be delivered door to door. And after that, that one is another matching for you. So now imagine penetrating 200 countries. So now guys, this is my question. Don't we have the best company? The best company. If you think Nigeria is a saturated market, you are wrong. But even if you think Nigeria is a saturated market, is it only Nigeria? You have the whole of Africa and the whole world. We have the whole world in the tip of our hands. What you will just do is touch your cell phone, touch your keyboard, and sell the products online. Do you get it?
Yes.
Don't we have the best company? Don't we have the best company? Why are you not excited if we have the best company? You need to be excited, guys. So now, in network marketing, be it other companies or Alliance in Motion, we are only doing 3 things. What are these 3 things? Okay? Okay, so first one, we need to register. In every network marketing company, there's always registration. Some will tell you our registration is cheap, it's only 5,000. But after you paid 5,000, you need to buy products worth 100,000. Am I right? Yes. So their business is not straightforward. Our business is very straightforward because our registration, we have 5 packages. First package is 41,888. And you will get products worth more than 41,888. Okay, so that is package A. Package B is also 41,888. But if you don't have 41,888, you can buy the package C and package D, which is only worth 36,000. Guys, this is what we call value for money package. The money that we will collect from you will give you products worth more than that money, and aside from that, you are part of our international business already. So if you think 36,000 is big, it's actually small if we are talking about investment. 36,000 is a very small investment. How many 36,000 have you spent in your life? Did it came back to you? Did you make profit from it? Now with this 36,000, guaranteed you will make your own profit. Okay? You know what? In Philippines, in our church, I always ask. One time I asked the members. I told them, who amongst you wants to be rich? Everyone, or who amongst you wants to go to heaven? Everyone has been raising their hands. Then I asked them, who amongst you wants to die? Slowly everyone is bringing their hands down. I asked them, how will you go to heaven if you will not die? Same thing with network marketing. I always ask people, who amongst you wants to be rich? All of them will raise their hand. And then ask them, who amongst you will register? They will slowly bring their hands down. How can you be rich if you will not register? This is the first step in our business. Now, after registration, what do you need to do next? Okay, you need to recruit people. When we say recruit people, it's the act of bringing people. Most people don't want to join network marketing. Why? Because they cannot bring people. They will tell you, I don't want to do network marketing. I cannot recruit people. But I don't believe. Imagine, in the 200 million population of Nigeria, if you cannot even recruit 2 people, what kind of person are you? Right? Now look at this. How do we reward recruitment? Once you register with 36,000 naira, you need to bring people that will also register with 36,000 naira. And our business is very simple because it's binary. So let's say you register with 36,000. You brought someone that will also register with 36,000. The company will give you 1,900 direct sponsoring bonus. Are you using your money? Are you using your money? No, it's your downline's money and you will make 1,900. That's why we call this one leverage. Using other people's time, using other people's effort, and using other people's money. That's what we call leverage. Instead of using 100% of your own effort, why not use 1% of 100 people's effort? Right? Now look at this. If you will bring another person, it's another 1,900. So for bringing 2 people, how much do you have? 3,800. You know, with this 1,900, I became crazy. Every time I wake up, it's as if every person has 1,900 on the forehead. 19. Let's go. 19. Everyone is 19. And you know what made me more crazy? See, the moment you bring 2 people, one in the left and one in the right, if it's other companies, what will they give you? Nothing. They will just give you points. You need to accumulate this also number of points before they will pay you. So basically, bringing 2 people like this, are you making money? In our company, the good thing here is this. Because we follow binary system, we have what we call matching bonus. When we say matching bonus, if you have one in the left and one in the right, we call it one match. So this is my question. Do you have one in the left? Do you have one in the right? So now the company will give you 5,700 on top of that 3,800. So imagine for bringing 2 people that will register, you made 19 plus 19 plus 5,700. That is 9,500. Imagine with 19 alone, I became crazy. When I learned about the 5,700, it's not 19 in the forehead anymore. It's already 5,700, 5,700, 5,700. Everyone is 5,700 for me. Now, if these 2 people, they brought their own 2, okay? This woman will make her own 9,500. This person will make his own 9,500. Same as what you earn. Do you get it?
Yes.
But this is the big question now. What is in it for you? What is in it for you? Let me ask you first, are you the one who bring the 2?
No.
Most probably you don't know them, am I right?
Yes.
So now you will not get the 1,900 anymore because you are not the one who directly introduced the business to them. But you know what? You will still get 5,700 up to infinity. 5,700 up to infinity. And if you think we are joking, we are not joking. Why? Because me, I am making 5,700 from the people that I don't even know. From the people that I don't even know how to read their names. Imagine. Look at this. One in the left, one in the right, 5,700. Now, how many new registrations you have in the left? 2. How many new registrations in the right? 2. So this one will pay you 5,700 plus this one will pay you another 5,700. So that one is 5,700 times 2. So you will be paid 11,400 and that one is not your own effort. So you know what's the tip I can give you guys? If you want to make money, look for people who wants to make money as well. Because these people, they will look for people that wants to make money too. And all of these people will be duplicating. And look at this. As long as they are bringing one in the left, one in the right, you are making 5-7, 5-7, 5-7, 5-7 every time. Even if you are sleeping, you are making 5-7. Even if you are eating, you are making 5-7. And even if you are enjoying, you are making 5-7 every day. For the past 14 months in Philippines, I didn't do anything but to encash my money every day. This is my question. Can you give me a company here in Nigeria that gives daily payout?
No.
Alliance in Motion is the only company that gives daily payout. So imagine, let's say you have 5-7 today. Encash your 5-7. Tomorrow, that 5-7 is in your ATM, waiting for you to withdraw it. Okay? So now, that's the beauty of the business. So as long as they will bring people, one in the left, one in the right, okay? It's always 5-7. And the good thing here, aside from the fact that this one, okay, aside from the fact that this one is daily payout, the good thing here is that there's no maintenance required. So, you will make your 5-7 even if you will not buy products. If it had been other companies, you always need to be buying products for you to maintain. You will not make money unless you buy products. So every now and then, let's say you earn 200,000, but the amount of products you bought, 50,000 or 100,000. You are just cheating yourself. You are just fooling yourself. The good thing in our business, if you make this money, this one is a clean money for you. You don't need to buy products again for you to make 5-7. Okay? So that is the advantage in our business. Okay? That is the advantage of our business. So, is the company good? Yes. Is the company good? Yes. Here's my question. Will you recruit people? Yes. Will you recruit people? Yes. Guys, remember, 70 to 80% of your effort in network marketing should be based on recruitment. In our business, recruitment is very important. Most of the people, are having misconception in network marketing. Why? Because they thought that in our business, we are only concerned on making money. Actually, the reason why I did this business is not for the money alone, but for the leverage. Do you get it? I'm not doing this business for money alone, but for leverage. When I say leverage, okay, it's the art of making money, even if you will not stress yourself to work. This is the problem with most of us. Every day, we are not excited when we wake up. You know why? Because you know what will happen in your day already. Because every day is like a struggle for us to live. Am I right? You wake up, you are not complaining more, I will go to my office again. I will see my monster boss again. My boss will shout at me again. Every day your boss is shouting at you. Did you try to leave your company? You are still doing the same thing. Am I right? So now, tomorrow, you will do the same thing. You will wake up again. You are not excited to go to your office again. Your boss will shout at you again. Do you know that this has been a system of slavery since we were young? Do you want to know why? I will show you. Guys, let me just educate you because this is the last time. I will be educating you for the year. Okay? Imagine, when we were kids, you will now go to school. Am I right? What time are you supposed to wake up? You're waking up around 6 a.m. Why? Because 7 a.m., you need to be in the school for you not to be late. Am I right? Yes. Now, you can only go out, let's say around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Can you go out before this time? No. And this is the thing. On this whole period, whatever your teacher will tell you, what will you say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Am I right? If your teacher will tell you to draw a tree, you need to color the trunk brown. And you need to color the leaf green. Am I right? If you will color the leaf red, and then the trunk is black, your teacher will give you 2 X's. Is it my fault if my teacher haven't been in Japan? Wherein in Japan, there are red trees with black trunks. Am I right? If you will draw one white big tree, your teacher will give you one big X. Is it my fault if my teacher haven't been to Europe or US? If it's winter, the trees are becoming white. So you are always wrong. Now, you will study elementary. After that, you will study secondary school. After that, you will now enter college, your university. Upon getting your diploma, do you think this cycle is finished already? No. Now look at this. After you get your diploma, what will you do? You will look for job. If before you are waking up 6 a.m., now you are waking up 5 a.m. because of Lagos traffic. Am I right?
Yes.
You will go to your office 6:30 a.m. It became worse because you need to be there to prepare the things of your boss. From 6:30, you will now leave your office 6 p.m. It became worse. And whatever your boss will tell you, what will you say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
So what is the difference now? What is the difference? So you are following the cycle of slavery over and over and over again. Now guys, you are very fortunate because you are sitting here.
Yes.
You know why? You are now breaking this cycle of slavery.
Yes.
This is the reason why we are doing Alliance in Motion. This is the reason why we are doing network marketing. It's not for the money alone, but for us not to become slaves. Now, do we have a very good business?
Yes.
Okay? Do we have a very good company?
Yes.
Now, the third step. After you recruit, you need to reorder. So you and the people under you will be buying products over and over again. Okay? Now look at this. We have unilevel bonus. If this is you, and the people under you are buying products, in your first generation, you are earning 10%. From second up to the 10th level, you are earning 5%. So imagine, after they register, you make matching. Aside from that matching, the moment they are buying product, you are making money. Let's say you have a store in this place. Those people buying from the store opposite you or beside you, are you making money? No, you will only make profit in your own store. The good thing in this business is that you don't need to put up your own store. Why? Because you have virtual store. Like me, I have more than 20,000 people under me. So that is like I have more than 20,000 consumers of the products already. Let's say they became sick, they buy C24/7. I will make profit out of that. Even if they will not buy from Nigeria, let's say they buy from Ghana, I will make money from that. So just imagine, you have all of these people under you. So it's like you have your own consumer-based system. So that is Unilevel. And aside from Unilevel, the company will still give you overriding commission, which we call stair step. In our company, guys, listen, in our company, we only have 3 steps. We have Silver Executive, Gold Executive, and Global Ambassador. So now, for you to reach Silver Executive, you just need 10 points. What is 10 points? Let me just break it down to you. If you buy, or your downlines buy C24/7, it's 0.2 points. So it means if the whole of your team bought like 50 boxes of C24/7, you are already a Silver Executive. Very simple. 500 boxes, Gold Executive. 5,000 boxes, you are Global Ambassador. But the good thing here is this, you know, it's accumulated, so no time frame. Even if you are just buying 111 C24/7 in a month, then after 10 months, you are now a Silver Executive. After 100 months, you are now a Gold Executive. And after 1,000 months, I don't know if we are still living that time, you are now a Global Ambassador. Do you get? Now guys, let me just share to you my experience. I was able to become a Global Ambassador in less than 8 months. In less than 8 months. One of the fastest. Okay? And you know, I'm not bragging about myself. You know what I'm bragging about? Nigerians. I don't have downlands. 99% of my group is Nigeria. So it's not me, it's Nigerians that are fast in this business. You know what our owners told us last anniversary? They told us that in our 3 years of operations here in Nigeria, we broke some records in Philippines already. Just 3 years. Imagine. So no time frame, no reversion. When we say no reversion, you know, in other companies, even if they will not demote you, your income will be smaller if you don't do maintenance. In our own, even if you don't do maintenance, you will not make money, but you will not revert. Now this is the thing, how much is our maintenance? How much is our maintenance? 2 boxes of C24/7, that is your maintenance already. Okay? Next, no demotion. So once you are a silver executive, you are a silver executive for the rest of your life. And you know the best part here, no pass up. When we say no pass up, let's say he is my downline, okay, he's under me, and you are under him, and then you are under him, and this guy here is under him. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 of us is not active, and only this man is active. He's the only one buying products. You know what will happen? Let's say this person became gold executive. You know what will happen? He will become gold executive, gold executive, gold executive, and I will become gold executive without doing anything. That is no pass up. Okay, so that is the advantage of our company. Okay, so this is our stair-step bonus. Aside from that, we have the royalty income. Once you are a global ambassador, okay, from the 5th level, from you to the 5th level, you will get 2%, okay, royalty income. So it means if you are a global ambassador and all of your downlines are global ambassador up to the 5th level, okay, you will earn 2%. Okay, so all of this one, let's say this is the only person working, all of them will become global ambassadors. Okay, so that is the advantage of our company. So you are now making 2% of their product pre-order. Okay? Now, before I end, so this is the marketing plan already. I hope you are educated, guys. I hope we learned something. Now, before I end, let's go back again. The art of attaining your projected income. Who amongst you are newcomers again? This is your first time to attend. I will teach you how to make 1 million in a month, sir, because you're always answering come here. I will teach you how to earn 1 million in a month. But it's not limited to 1 million in a month. Okay? That 1 million, you can even earn 1 million in a week. Now, this is the strategy. Okay? What is your name, sir? Amenshi. Amenshi. Okay, Amenshi. How much is your projected income? 500,000. Let's say 1 million. Is it okay? 1 million. See, he's not happy with 1 million, no? 1 million already. Is it okay? Now, look at this. Okay? So, do you want to make at least 300,000 or 1.2 million in a month? Okay? Now, if this is you, Amechi, if you listen to my lecture, how many people you need to bring? You need to bring 2 people. Okay? Now, the good thing in our business, instead of bringing 2 for new people, listen to me very well. Instead of bringing 2 people, do you know that you can still register yourself? So if this is you, Amenshi 1, this will be Amenshi 2, Amenshi 3. It's not violation of any rule in our company. That one is allowed. We call it multiple registration. Okay, so now you have 3 accounts like this. If you have 3, how many people you need to bring? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of putting other people, you can still put yourself. Amenshi 4, 5, 6, 7. I know before we only talk about 36,000. Now we are talking about 36,000 times 7. I just want you to open your mind, guys. Okay? We don't want your money. Because if I want your money, if I want money from you, I will not talk to you. I will talk to rich people because they have more money than you. Am I right? Am I right? I'm just showing you this one because it's a better opportunity for us to make money. Okay? So now I know we are talking about 1 before. But let's say you have 7 now. Amenshi. How much is your investment? 252,000. Not 36,000 anymore. But you know the best thing in that 252,000? In that 252,000, you get products worth more than 252,000. But aside from that, you will get 39,900 instantly. So imagine you earn from your own registration. Guys, I actually don't call it ROI or return of investment. You know what I call it? OI. Why OI? Overnight income. You are not doing anything yet. The moment you spend 252,000, you will get 39,900 on top of the products. Is it good? Now, if you have 7 like this, Amici, this is my question. Can you bring at least 8 people? Because with this one, you need to bring 8. Am I right? Here, 1 in the left, 1 in the right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Amici, can you bring 8 people? I'm not saying you need to bring the 8 right now. Even if it takes time, can you bring at least 8 people? So it's like building 8 groups of people. Even if you spend 1 month for each, after 8 months, you will complete this one. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Now look at this. Amici, what if these 8 groups under you are just bringing 1, 1, 1 in a month? Listen guys, just 1, 1, 1 in a month. 8 groups of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this, under you. That will just bring 1 in a month. How much are you making? Let's talk about this top account first. If you will divide it, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the left, 4 in the right. So this one will get how many matching? 4 times 5, 7. So that is 22,800. But because this one is still yours, same effort. But this one will make 2 matches. 2 in the left, 2 in the right. How about this one? It's also 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So that is another 22,800. And same effort, you are not doing anything. It's just these 8 groups under you that brought 1, 1, 1. This one will earn how many matching? 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4. So it's also 4 matching. So that is another 22,800. Look at this. 8 people joining your group. You are making 12 matching. Only 8 people, you get 5, 7 times 12. So that is how much? 68,400. You are earning more than a bank manager already. Now look at this. If you only have 1, you divide 8. 4 in the left, 4 in the right. So that one is how many matches? Only 4 matches. So that is only 22,800. Wherein if you have 7, look at this. If you have 7, same effort, 8 people, you are making 68,400. Look at the difference. Now, it means if these 8 groups are now bringing 10, 10, 10 in a month, you are now making 684,000. It means if they will be bringing 8 groups that will bring at least 20 registration in a month, you are making 1.3 million. Did you reach your goal of earning 1 million? More than your goal. So what is the strategy? What is the strategy? Register with 7 accounts and then develop 8 groups of people that will produce at least 20 registrations in a month. Listen to me guys. Even if you will spend 3 months for 1, another 3 months for 1 person, another 3 months for 1 person, 3 times 8, that is 24 months. 2 years from now, you will be making 1 million. If not for Alliance in Motion, let's say you are still outside doing your own thing. 2 years from now, are you guaranteed to make 1 million per month? No. This is my question, sir. Is this one possible? Very possible. Now, most people will tell you, how can they bring 20, 20, 20? Isn't it much? One of my team is bringing 40 to 50 in a day. So what is 20 in a month? Now, if you think it's hard, think about this. Mr. Amici, are you the only one who wants to earn 1 million? Are you the only one who wants to earn 1 million? What if you teach these 8 people how to earn 1 million? If they want to earn 1 million, are they bringing 20 only? They will bring their own 8 groups with 20. So that is how many? 160. Half of 160 is how many? 80. Half of 80. Half of 40. This is their target every month. But with this one, you are making 1 million already. If these 8 groups of people under you will be earning 1 million per month, you are now making 1 million per week. You know, help these people achieve what they need, and they will help you achieve what you want. So imagine for 2 years, 2-year plan. You are very fortunate, Mr. Amici. Why? Because other people here were not able to complete their 7. Some have 3. And then they put people under them already. So if you want to register yourself again, what will you do? You will put it under someone. Now, Mr. Amici, you have a choice. You can register with 1, you can register with 3, or you can register with 7. How many accounts will you register? Let's clap for him. Thank you very much. Who is the person that invited him? Who is the upline? Who is the person that invited you? Sir, imagine. The person who invited him is not here. You don't know that the person he invited will do 7 accounts. Guys, this is a new strategy I'm exposing to you now. The art of attaining your projected income. If these people will have goal of making 1 million per month, they will try to reach it and you will make 1 million per week. 2 years ago, this is the same strategy I did to myself. And to my surprise, I'm not making 1 million per month. I am making it per week already. That is why I am sharing you this strategy. You know my motto? I don't give promises. I give possibilities. Did I promise you will make 1 million per month? But did I show you the possibility of making 1 million per month? So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Now guys, see, most of the people, you know, most of us, before I end, most of us, we are actually blinded, we are short-sighted. We are only seeing what's near. We don't know that at the end of it, there will be something waiting for us. Just to tell you honestly, this business is not easy. But at least, on all the hard ways to make money, this is the easiest. Is there an easy way to make money now? You can do 419, but you don't have face to show people anymore. Am I right? So all this is not easy, I'm telling you the truth. Everything is hard. But on all that hard ways, this one is the easiest. So for some of you who are into the business already, don't stop doing the business. For some of you who are not yet into the business, this is the perfect time to grab the business and to start the business. This is my question. If this one is 1,000 naira, if I say this one is 1,000 naira, and you are not seeing it as 1,000 naira, you are just seeing it as pentel pen. But I'm telling you, this one is 1,000 naira. And I told you, this 1,000 naira is yours. What will you do? What will you do? What will you do? This is 1,000 naira and it is for you. What will you do? Why are you not doing it? What will you do? If this is 1,000 naira, what will you do? Why are you talking? Why are you not doing it? If this is 1,000 naira, what will you do? Why are you not doing it? I will give you 1,000 naira later. See, I told you, that is 1,000 naira. grab it. All of you are just talking, grab it. No one is grabbing it. That's the problem with us. So, talk. No action. So guys, thank you very much. And I hope you learned something from our training. God bless you all. Wait guys, let's stand up first. We'll capture picture. Stand up, okay? Let's look on the camera and we will have picture. Guys, this is the sign of success. New ones we introduce, like this. A-World. Amor. God bless you all guys. And those people who are not yet registered, register now.